This is how to fix a Hoover Spin Scrub 50 when the brushes aren't spinning. So take your tanks out, flip that lever, and take off this clear piece here. Tip it on its back will help. These brushes just pull off. So pull them until the slot in the white drive is exposed. Take a flat head screwdriver. Sorry for the shaky video. Take a flathead screwdriver and put it in the slot. Focus. And then turn it until it breaks loose. I've already broken this one loose. That little drive is driven by suction or water pressure or something like that. So it can get clogged up with pet hair and dirt and all the other stuff. So that's how you fix it in real quick, and it should keep it running. Thanks.